Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Prachi Singh and today I've created this beautiful makeup look for you guys. So as we all know, Raksha Bandhan is around and that's why I've created this quick, easy, glowy, beautiful makeup look. I hope you all will like it. It took only 15 minutes for me to create this look and I'm really happy with the result. So I've created this makeup look using all the affordable products. So link of all the products will be there in the description box. Don't forget to check it. And this is all for this introduction. Let's quickly start this video now. Hey guys, so I've already washed my face using this face wash by Aroma Magic. This is in lavender variant. This face wash is specially for dry skin people. They have different variant for different skin type. Alright, now I'm heading towards and I'm applying this moisturizer. This moisturizer is by Pond's and I've already shown this moisturizer in my top 5 moisturizer list. This is Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is oil-free moisturizer and it also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So once I'm done prepping up my skin, I'm using this primer by Nykaa Cosmetics. This one is Prep Me Up Face Primer. This tones, smoothens and perfect skin. This also fill all the pores on my skin. This is one of the most affordable good primer. Once I am done with the primer, I will apply my foundation and this foundation is by L'Oreal Paris. This one is True Match Super Blendable Foundation and I'm in the shade 8D8W Golden Cappuccino. I'm applying my foundation. This is a hydrating foundation. It is really moisturizing on skin. So if you're dry skin, you can use this foundation. I'm blending my foundation using my finger as this is a super blendable foundation, so it really doesn't need sponge to blend it. But if you're using any matte foundation, you will need a sponge to blend and get a flawless finish. Only once I'm done with applying it, I'm using a sponge just to give that flawless finish and to take any extra product from my skin. Take your own time guys in blending your foundation as you want a perfect base. So I'm done blending my foundation and now I will apply my concealer, and this concealer is by LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm in the shade medium beige. This shade is slightly lighter than my skin. I'm using it to highlight my under eye area. I'm again blending my concealer using my fingers. You can go ahead and blend your concealer using a sponge. Now, once I am done blending my foundation, I will use sponge again to give that flawless effect. Once I am done blending my concealer, I will set my face using this palette by Wet n Wild. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. It's in the shade Caramel Toffee and I'm using this banana powder from this shade to set my face. You can set your face using a compact powder or a loose powder. Now I will fill my eyebrows using this Fashion Brow Cream Pencil by Maybelline New York and I'm in the shade dark brown. As you all can see, my eyebrows are already in shape, so I'm only filling all the sparse areas. I like to keep my eyebrows natural and that's why I fill only the sparse areas in my eyebrows. Once my eyebrows are done, I use a brush to shape them and this is the brush. I will just comb my eyebrow or I will just set my eyebrows in the upward direction. So now I am taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. Again, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm bronzing my face. I don't like harsh contour, so I'm just taking this bronzer from this same palette and I'm bronzing my face and warming up a little bit. As you can see, it has given some dimension to my face. So once I'm done bronzing my face, I will move ahead and apply a blush. And for blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild blush. This is in the shade Mellow Wine. This is a beautiful shade. It really looks good on my skin tone. This is a very pigmented blush. It is really soft. So after applying blush, I'm moving to my eyes, and for eyes again I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'm taking this orange brick color and applying it directly into my crease. So what I'm doing is I'm moving from outward corners to the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm blending this same orange brick shade from my outer corners to the inner corners, placing it from outer corners to inner corners and blending it to my crease. You can take any eyeshadow of your own choice and take any base shade and repeat the same step. So now I'm taking the other shade, which is a dark brown shade, brick red dark brown shade, and I'm again placing it in the crease and then in my lower lash line to give it a complete effect. Take your time in blending your eyeshadow. So now you can see my eyes are looking complete. So once I am done blending my eyeshadow, I am taking a golden shade from this same palette and I am applying it with my finger only in the center part of my eyelids, and I am again blending all the harsh lines. So take your own time in blending your eyeshadow, as you don't want any harsh lines to see through. Now, as you all can see, I have blended my eyeshadow really well. We cannot see any harsh lines. So I'm moving to my liner. This is the Lakme liner. This is same old school classic eyeliner. I'm sure you all must be having this liner. This is their Insta liner. This is water resistant liner, and I've been using this liner since so many years. Yeah. So I'm just drawing a very thin line. You can go ahead and apply a wing liner. That will also look really beautiful with this eye look. Now I'm done applying my liner. I'm applying mascara now, and this mascara is by Maybelline. This one is their Lash Sensational mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara. It comes with this beautiful wand. I always use a washable mascara. This one is a washable mascara. It also comes in a waterproof variant, but I like washable because it's really easy to remove mascara, and that's why I use a washable one. So now I'm almost done applying my mascara. We'll move ahead and apply a lipstick. So now this is a lip liner. I'm applying a lip liner, and this one is by Maybelline New York Color Sensation, and this one is in the shade 120 Rich Chocolate. This is one of my favorite lip liners to apply. And I'm using this lipstick. This lipstick is also again from Maybelline, and this one is from their the Loaded Bold collection, and this one is in the shade Mauve. So I'm almost done with my makeup. This is the last step. I'm applying some highlighter to add that glow to this look. This highlighter is by Maybelline Master Chrome, and I'm in the shade Molten Gold. This is a bomb highlighter. As you can really see, it actually adds that glow. I'm also applying the highlighter on my cupid bow and my nose tip. So I'm done with my makeup, and all the products I've used in this video will be linked in description box, so don't forget to check it out. And this is the final result. I really like the look, and we'll just add accessories and we'll be back. So I'm back, guys. This is the end result. I've just added some accessory. I've added this jhumka and little bindi. If you want, go ahead and do a beautiful hairstyle with this look. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. I'm happy with the end result, and trust me, if I can do it, anyone and everyone can do it. And do it for yourself. Look all beautiful and glowy on this Raksha Bandhan, and I hope you will do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And if you like it, please hit like, share, subscribe, comment down below what else you want to see on my channel. And I think I've said it all. That's all for this video. Bye bye.